Good morning everybody. So let us start with the solution of yesterday's assignment I have given to you from quadratic equations. That was the second assignment, second set. So let us have the solution of first question. We were supposed to solve the equation that was x upon 1 minus x plus 1 minus x upon x is equal to 13 upon 6. So what I did, I have assumed this is equal to y, x upon 1 minus x under the root is equal to y. Next one is the reciprocal of that, so automatically that will become 1 upon y. Substitute these values y and 1 upon y in given equation. This will become 13 upon 6 is equal to, take the LCM, and in that way you will be reaching somewhere at quadratic equation 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. Then go for the middle term splitting. You will be getting the middle term split in terms of 2 by minus 3 into 3 by minus 2 is equal to 0. From here you can see the value of y 3 upon 2 or 2 upon 3. When you will be putting y is equal to 3 upon 2, you said y is equal to x upon 1 minus x under the root. So substitute this value there. To solve the square root, you need to squaring both the sides. So do squaring both the sides. This square root will go off, x upon 1 minus x will be there, square of 3 is 9, square of 2 is 4. By cross multiplication, if you go for the value of x, that will be linear equation in one variable, you will be getting x is equal to 9 upon 13. And when you put y is equal to 2 upon 3, repeat the same process, you will be getting x is equal to 4 upon 13. So that is the solution for your question number 1. So answer is 9 upon 13 and 4 upon 13. Second question was the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers was given equal to 202 and you need to determine those two numbers. So we did in our textbook also, that was even number. So difference between the odd and even is of 2. So if you are assuming the first odd number is x, second you can take is x plus 2. So then according to the condition, square of those two, x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to 202. Then again you do the squaring, somewhere you will be reaching here. After getting this 2 common, the quadratic equation x square plus 2x minus 99 is equal to 0. That is, in lowest terms I have written here. Again you go for the middle term splitting, and then your factors will be x plus 11 into x minus 9. And if you will solve this, so x will be equal to minus 11, which you have to reject because odd number I have not to take in negative. So I will take 9. So my first odd number will be 9 and second is 9 plus 2, 11. So answer will be 9 and 11. Then in third question, it was given in a 2-digit number, the product of the digits was given is equal to 18. So if 63 is subtracted from the original number, the digits interchange their place. You need to determine the number. So when I did this question in linear equation in two variable, at that time also I explained it to you what 3 steps will always be common. What is that? X is the unit place digit. Suppose I have taken here, it is given that product is equal to 18. If you are not comfortable with one variable, you can take in terms of 2x and y. So x into y is equal to 18, so y will be equal to 18 upon x. In that way also you can see. But if unit is x, product is 18, so x into 10th place is 18, so 10th place will be 18 upon x. That way you can do. Then write the original number. 10th place always you need to multiply by 10 plus unit place digits. So 10 into what is this? 10th place digit plus unit place digit. This is the original number. So whatever the value of x after completion of your solution, you will be getting. To write the answer, you have to substitute that value here in this original number. So this is why you have to highlight this step. This is the original number which will be taking you to the answer of this question. Now apply the conditions. When 63 was subtracted from this number, so write the number and subtract 63. The digits interchange their place. So unit place will come to 10th place and 10th place will go to unit place. Then it will become 10x plus 18 upon x. Now do these calculation. I hope all of you are very clear with the calculation work, or I have shifted all the variables to one side with constant and equal to 0. When I have solved this, I reach somewhere after getting the equation in lowest terms, x square plus 7x minus 18. So x square plus 7x minus 18 means I have to get the factors of 18. So 9 2s are 18 and plus 9 and minus 2. In that way, you will be getting the factors are x plus 9 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. So when x plus 9 you will put is equal to 0, so x will be equal to minus 9. So 9 minus 9 you have to reject, and when x minus 2 will be equal to 0, so you have to take x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 is the value which I need to substitute here in original number. So when you will be putting 2 there, so 18 upon 2 will make it 9. 9 into 10, this will be 90 plus 2, 92. So your answer will be the original number is equal to 92. I repeat, you need to put this value in the original number, do the calculation. 10, 18 upon 2 will make it 9, 9 into 10, 90, 90 plus 2 is equal to 92. So that will be the answer for this question number 3. Now still somewhere the speed of the boat in still water was given to you 5 km per hour, and downstream and upstream distance was covered 5.25, and it was taken 1 hour more comparative to downstream when she was coming upstream. So you need to find the speed of the stream. So whatever you want to find, you have to assume that. So let the speed of the stream is equal to x km per hour, and then speed of the boat is given 5 km per hour. Again, you just recall when I explained that category of upstream and downstream. I said again 2-3 steps are very common. Whatever you want to find, assume that, and focus your attention upon the speed of the boat that is in still water or speed of the stream. Always you need to add or subtract. Always you need to add or subtract the speed of the stream to that of speed of the boat. So when you are going down with water, no need to apply any force. So speed of the stream will be added. And when you are coming upstream, that is against the speed of the stream, you need to apply the force. That's why you have to minus the speed of the stream. So speed upstream will be 5 minus x, because here the speed of the stream you have assumed is x, so 5 minus x. Downstream it will be 5 plus x. And I told always focus your attention upon distance into speed into time. Here the difference between 2 is given of time only, 1 hour more was taken. So I have written the time in terms of distance upon speed. So time towards downstream, distance 5.25 km it is given to cover, and speed is 5 plus x, that is downstream. And upstream it will be again 5.25, but speed will be equal to 5 minus x. These many hours were taken to go downstream, and these many hours were taken to come upstream. But according to the condition, time taken to upstream is 1 hour more than the time taken to downstream. So this is the time taken to upstream, time taken to downstream plus 1. Now do the calculations here again, that is up to you, and finally keep on doing the calculation and check whether you are reaching here at the quadratic equation 2x square plus 21x minus 50 is equal to 0. You remember calculation, I hope all of you know. You just can take 5.25 common here, what I did, because both the numerators are consisting of the same numerator, that's why I did that. And 1 upon 5 minus x minus 1 upon 5 plus x. In that way it becomes easier to solve, and check whether you are getting the quadratic equation 2x square plus 21x minus 50 is equal to 0. And then go for the middle term splitting. 52s are 100 and you need that is equal to 21, and check. If not possible with the middle term splitting, you do have two other options also, either the quadratic formula or the method of completing the square. So somewhere you will be getting x is equal to minus 25 upon 2 and 2. So speed cannot be in minus, neglect that. So 2, x is equal to 2 will be the answer. So speed of the stream will be 2 km per hour. So that will be the answer for your question number 4. Then question number 5 was, you need to solve this equation 9x square minus 9 into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square is equal to 0 by using the quadratic formula. So whenever you are supposed to apply the quadratic formula, always you need to write what is a, what is b and what is c. and you know the equation you have to check first very clearly whether it is lying in its standard form or not. Here you can see ax square plus bx plus c without variable, that is without x, that I have to take, so I have kept these three terms inside the bracket, that denotes c is equal to 0. So in that way you will be writing a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 9 into a plus b, and c 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. So write these values, and then in case of your quadratic formula, somewhere you need x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. So what I did, I have just gone for discriminant first, so that I can have the idea if it becomes negative, so I don't have to solve that. So, but if it is conditional, so you put b square minus 4ac, so that directly I can substitute that value here. So when you will be putting this b square, substitute b minus 9 into a plus b whole square, minus 4ac minus 4, a is 9 and c is 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Now do these calculations. Square of minus is always plus, 9 square is 81, a plus b whole square is a plus b whole square. Sometimes I have seen the students, they are simply taking the square of 9 and leaving a plus b. You remember when this is whole square, that is the purpose of putting the bracket, small bracket and then the square bracket. That means this is the square of 9 as well as of a plus b. Do not commit such silly mistakes there while you are writing your answers. Please be careful about your board mass. If it is not due practices, you yourself will make definitely yourself the confident how to overcome these all difficulties. So board mass, I have observed many students, they are lacking in that part. So here it is 81 into a plus b whole square, minus into plus is minus, 4 9s are 36 into 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square. Then this is 81 a square plus b square plus 2ab. I have expanded this, minus 36 into 2 minus 72 minus plus minus 36 into 5 180, ab is there, minus into plus again minus 36 into 2 72 b square. And then you solve this bracket also. Now check the like terms. 81a square minus 72a square will make it 9a square. Then 81b square minus 72b square again will make it 9b square. And 162 of ab plus minus 180 ab, when you will take the difference, that will be coming somewhere minus 80 ab. Now throughout 9 is common, inside the bracket you will be left with a square plus b square minus 2ab. So this becomes 9 into a minus b whole square, which is a perfect square. That I shared with you in previous assignment also. Most of the time b square minus 4ac will be a perfect square form. So then write the formula, substitute the value of b as well as of this b square minus 4ac. You know this is a perfect square. So what I will do, under root of 9 is 3, and when I take the under root of a minus b whole square, it will left a minus b only. And then do the calculation. First you take the plus sign and then you take the minus sign. Then plus will be there, plus 3a plus minus minus 3b. When you take the minus sign, minus 3 into a will make it minus 3a, and minus into minus is plus, 3 into b is 3b. And then do the calculation here, 9a plus 3a, 12a, 9b minus 3b, plus 6b upon 18. Here it is 9a minus 3a, 6a, 9b plus 3b, 12b. So here you can take 6 common, 2a plus b will left upon 18. Here again you can take 6 common, a plus 2b will left. So 6 these are, you can do the cancellations. You will be left with 2a plus b upon 3 and a plus 2b upon 3, which is the solution for this equation by using the quadratic formula. So focus your attention and see whether you did it correct or not. If anywhere any mistake you have done, please do the correction, or if any step is not clear, please let me know. And I sincerely want to appreciate the gratitude shown by Harshit Jain. And then one Prakriti was asking something, I think about the previous video was not clear, so you don't worry, I will do the solution of all those 5 questions on a page and will WhatsApp it to you. If any difficulty still you are finding, feel free to contact me. Then other whomsoever are getting benefited, I hope all of you are. So my sincere thanks to you all to providing me the positive feedback. So tomorrow I will come with the introduction of your arithmetic progressions. Till then you can check the solution of all this. If possible, I will add more questions from quadratic equations point of view to your assignment, and in the meanwhile, somewhere in between, wherever I will be finding the time, I will give you the solution of all those. Thank you and have a nice time.